Hare Krishna. Welcome to our channel, The Journey of Self to the Inner Self. In my previous video, I was talking about the importance of time. The importance of time, how we utilize the time, and then what we become. So now, it is more important to understand that how to utilize the time and what should be done in that time. This is the most important aspect where many of us get confused. I mean to say that the every moment what we have in our hand should be spent to what we value. I repeat it, every moment what we have in our hand we should spend for what we value. Then only it will be to the maximum output you will be able to utilize that particular moment. And this value can be different from person to person, as none of the two individuals are same and everyone are there in their own journey. Their journey is independent of everyone actually. Now here let's understand that few people may have core values which is maybe 4 or 5 or 6. It could be not more than 5 to 6 would be there actually, which will be focusing more in the whole day from morning till the evening. Like if I'm engineer, I focus more. For me the value is that I will be more precise on the calculations what I calculate, and then I focus more on the time, I focus more on the budget, I also focus more on cost effective part, and then I focus that something has to be innovative. So my whole day when I spend on these particular aspects, each and everything whatever I do, it revolves around these values, these core values over there. And the core values for an accountant, it will be different. He'll be talking about accuracy, he'll be talking about timely payments, he'll be talking about the budget part. And then again a beautician, if at all you consult a beautician, for them the values will be different, a beauty will be different, and all things. So in this way if you understand that the value for different persons are different, and then when we list down these values, the moment we list down all these values and we try to focus each and every activity by imbibing those values in those activities, then for sure you are going to get the maximum output, and then you would be you will be getting the essence of each and everything what you try to do actually, and this will take you to the next step higher to your journey in whichever you are progressing. And then here the next journey has to be thought about the soul, the spirit soul journey, which I will be talking about in the next video, that what should be fed to the soul. One more important aspect in value system is that we should realize to value the values of others, as we know that we are all connected, and then if we have to work in a sync where all we work together, in that scenario we should realize to value the values of others. Then only there will be a synergy among us, and it will help us to progress much faster towards the goal whichever we are working actually. Thanks for watching our video. See you in the next video with another important aspect which will be taking your journey very easy to the next level. Hare Krishna.